Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. Hey, we're at the One Park Place in downtown Houston in the Discovery Green area. We just saw the balcony and we also saw the living and dining room areas and the kitchen. So now we're actually going to see the bedroom. Let's go into the bedroom. Oh, it's super cute. So this is a king size bed. Feels great, looks great. Love that king size bed. And it just feels like home in here. It just is delightful. It's clean, crisp. It's really pretty carpet that's down there. And then now let's go explore the bathroom. The bathroom is beautiful. So, wow, lovely touches. I love the just light colors. And you know what I love is it's just different. It just has just crisp, neat colors, nice touches. And then it does have beautiful shower here too. Look at the shower, really detailed flooring. You can just step into there and, or of course, get into this tub anytime you want to. You're not going to be having any issues with storage because look at this closet. The closet is huge. It's amazing. So love the amount of closet space that's in here. This is just greatness. Hey, now I'm going to go back out and just refresh our memories here on how beautiful this is in this kitchen and living room area. It's beautiful. Hey, if you like the feel of what you're seeing, there's a number below. Send me a text and go, Grant, you know, I really love this place. It makes me feel like I'm in a home, but I don't have to have that maintenance of a home. So send me a text and we can chat about getting you the perfect place here at One Park Place. It could be this floor plan, another floor plan. But isn't this just beautiful? So send me that text. We'll just chat right away. It won't go into any software or anywhere else, but just us starting a conversation. Hey, we've got some more videos, so keep watching. There's more videos coming soon.